Good day. And now we have more remedies. So we have here Benadryl, children's Tylenol, Panadol, and Robitussin. Well, we all know that Robitussin and Tylenol has been around for a long time. But here today we have Benadryl, and with the Benadryl, if you have allergies like runny nose, sneezing, itchy eyes, watery eyes, itchy throat, this is the best one to use. Now, the Tylenol and the Panadol to me, they're like the same. They're both for pain and fevers to relieve them. And here we have the Robitussin. This one is to be taken in the night. As you can see, you have to read the instruction. If you're coughing and you have runny nose, this is the best remedy. So you guys tell me, which one do you think is the best? Comment, please.